finally for 7b, we have a problem where we're taking the limit as x approaches 0 from the right of the function x ln x. So first you want to just test, is this indeterminate? We're getting 0 times negative infinity. Remember that for natural log, the graph looks like this. So as you approach 0 from the right, this is going down to negative infinity. 0 times infinity or negative infinity is an indeterminate form. So this needs to be changed. So L'Hopital's rule is how you solve limits of indeterminate form, but it needs to be a fraction. This is not a fraction right now, but you have to make it one. The easiest way to do that in this problem is to say x times ln x is the same thing as ln x divided by 1 over x. Multiplying by x or dividing by 1 over x are the same thing. Even though this is not simplified, you need it to be a fraction or else you can't do L'Hopital's rule in the first place. Okay, so now by doing L'Hopital's rule, remember that says that the derivative of the bottom and the derivative of the top put in the same fraction has the same limit as your original function. So, by doing L'Hopital's rule, what we get is the derivative of the top, 1 over x, the derivative of the bottom, negative 1 over x squared. Those can just be reciprocated because you're dividing a fraction by another fraction here. So all you get from this is negative x. Because this x would go to the denominator and this x squared would go to the numerator. One of them cancel out, you just get negative x. Well, now by plugging in 0, it's not indeterminate, it's just 0. If you try to plug in 0 in any of these places, though, you would get indeterminate. So by L'Hopital's rule, the limit of your original function is going to be 0.